We will show in this video how to use Excel to construct a frequency distribution for quantitative data using data for a sample of 20 audit time. The label audit time and the data for 20 audit time have been entered into cell A1, A21. Descriptive labels, which are the audit time and frequency, have been entered into cells C1 and D1. And the class limits 10 to 14, 15 to 9, 20 to 24, and so on have been entered using text format in cells C2 to C6. To calculate the frequencies for the audit time data, select cell D2 to D6 and enter the formula equal to frequency bracket A2 to A21, comma, parenthesis 14, comma 19, comma 24, 29, and 34, parenthesis close, and bracket close. On your keyboard, select Ctrl-Shift-Enter, and the formula will appear in each of the cells D2 to D6. With this, we have computed the frequency distribution for quantitative data.